Hello there, and welcome to my Calm the Chaos class. I offer this class for ages 6 to 9, 10 to 13, and also 14 to 18 years old. For the two younger age groups, I do offer this a few times during the week. In the morning, so they can have a nice relaxing day, start off for their day. And then again, I offer this in the evening, so they can go ahead and get ready to have a nice, restful, relaxing sleep, and where they can fall asleep much more easily and quickly. In today's environment, we have children that are hyper and they are nervous. They can't seem to calm down. Some of them worry too much. They take too much on their shoulders. And then adding to the current day events what is going on, it makes them worried and scared. I have had many students and their parents respond and tell me just how effective this class is for their children. And I hope to be able to do the same for your children as well. This is a very popular class, and I have many students that repeat this on a weekly basis. And they also go on to take my other classes as well. I hope to see your child in this class, and I look forward to sharing these very simple tips and techniques that I use that children respond to so very well and easily. Thank you. My name is Marina Liaros Naples of Meeting IKE Series for Children, and I look forward to having your children in my classes.